Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make soft chocolate chip cookies. All the ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. We'll need all-purpose flour, vegetable shortening, large eggs, vanilla extract, dark brown sugar, white sugar, chocolate chips. To the flour, I'll add salt and baking soda. Mix the salt and baking soda into the flour. You can make the cookie batter by hand or using a mixer. To the bowl, I'll add shortening, white sugar, dark brown sugar. We'll cream this first before adding the other ingredients. Now I'll add the eggs and vanilla. And the flour. Chocolate chips. Give it a final mix to incorporate any last bit of flour. And the cookie dough is ready. I let the dough rest in the fridge for about 2 hours. Heat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Take about a heaping tablespoon of dough, form it into a ball, and put it on an ungreased baking sheet. You can use a small ice cream scoop instead of the tablespoon. You can fit 12 on a baking sheet. Bake in the heated oven for about 9 minutes or until the edges turn lightly golden. You don't want to overcook these. I took the cookies out after 11 minutes. It's really going to depend on your oven, but I would check them at 9 minutes. They're starting to get golden around the edges, and that's what you want. Leave them on the pan for 2 minutes and then transfer them to a rack to cool. Share this video and subscribe for more recipes. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.